Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Microsoft Edge browser. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So I'm going to open up my Edge browser here, guys. And once I'm inside this browser, guys, all you have to do is just click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you want to go down to settings. Now from here on the left hand side, you want to click on downloads, and here you will find at the top it says location, and there's a change button. So simple click and change, and here you can find whichever folder that you want to change this to and set it as your download folder. So let's say I would like to choose, I don't know, let's choose this Photos 2 folder here as my download location. I can just select it and I can just click and select folder. And here you can see the path has changed. So whatever I'll download will now go to this path. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.